Okay, my Precuts Quilt box came. It's my favorite, so I cannot wait to see. I did start to open it because normally there is another box inside, but I started seeing goodies right away, so okay, let's see. I've said it before, this is my favorite box. I cannot wait to see what is inside today. I got a little peek and it looks like there's a lot going on. So it's packaged a little different today. Normally there is another box inside there. It looks like a lot of stuff, so maybe they couldn't jam it all in, but it's cute. So let's see. All right. It looks like it might be a panel. A panel, I'm guessing? Oh, it's masked. See? That's funny. There's a bunch of different like mask designs you can make. And it looks like it has the instructions on that side. Hopefully you can see it well. Some of them are really funny. Like having those like monster teeth. Okay. You do little Christmas gifts with these or something. Let me grab the little paper that kind of says, so safety first panel that is valued at $12, and on here maybe you can see it kind of shows like what the masks would look like, and it says that it makes 8 adult and 10 children's masks. All right, let's grab the next goodie in here. So it is a vintage Happy Tin mug. It got a little bit smashed in shipping, but that happens, especially this time of year. Well, I should say the box got a little smashed, not the actual mug, I don't think. So let's take a look at what. So happy. There's a little sewing machine. How cute. And if you don't drink tea or coffee, this would be cute to have next to your like sewing machine with your scissors or, you know, like your stiletto, different things you use for sewing in there, your seam rippers. So that's cute. Then we have some pink thread. Can always use thread, right? That's cute. So, oh, let's say the mug, $12 value, and the thread $3.65. And let's take a look at our fabric. It's Moda, and it looks like it's a lot of florals, which I love. It's a Homestead by April Rosenthal of Prairie Grass Patterns, and it is obviously a layer cake. So I think that is really pretty. And the layer cake is valued at $41. It contains 42 squares. And then we also have a pattern. And it is by April Rosenthal, and it looks like it is what she did with the fabric that is in that layer cake, and it looks really pretty. This is definitely a pattern that I would probably do. So it says 1 layer cake are 20 10-inch squares, and then you need some white print for the background, 1 1/4 yards, 2 1/4 yards navy, which you can see probably in here, a 1/2 yard of gray, and you can see those around making the like square around there. Then a 1/2 yard for binding, 3 1/2 yards for backing, and then your batting. So you have the layer cake provided to make this pattern. I really like it. Looks like there's some stars in there, and then some other detail. And I'm gonna guess it makes a pretty sizable quilt, but 51 inches by 64. So pretty sizable quilt. And it's called Starway. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at some of these. It's like some apples and pumpkins and carrots in there. So homestead, so probably not just florals in this. There's some plaids in there, it's cute. Yeah, definitely some fruit and veggie fabrics going on. I have to say this is probably not the most impressive box that I've got from them. I like most of them so much that this one, oh, there's some like geometrics. I got a nice mix in here. Probably mainly because the masks, it's just not my jam. I probably won't use this. I'll probably do it as like a giveaway, give it to someone. Maybe I'll do a giveaway in here. If anybody would really like this panel, you could put a word that I will search for. Put mask in the comments, and I will have the program I use search for mask, and put an email or some way where I can contact you, and I'll put you in for a giveaway to win these masks. I'm sure somebody will love them. My kids are older. They're 11 and 12. They wouldn't be into wearing any of the designs on here. I really wouldn't either. I just use either the disposable mask right now, or I have a one that I can wash that I keep in the car too. So they're just, none of these on here. They're cute, but they're not anything any of us would wear. So yeah, just put mask in the comments and I will enter you. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. This is a giveaway by me. It does not affiliated with YouTube in any way. So put mask in the comments, put an email, some way I can contact you if your name is pulled. I'll keep the giveaway pretty short. Maybe just a week from the day this posted. So in the description, I'll put in there when the deadline is, and then I will pull the winner really quickly, and I'll probably put some other fun stuff in with the mask as well that I have from different boxes. That's just stuff I probably won't use. So I'm sure I would love to give the love away with this for somebody, because it is really cute, especially if you have younger kids. The fabric's great, the pattern's great. I will definitely use the mug, but I just wish there was something else in it for me than the mask, because usually everything in this box goes together really well. Usually full projects, like 1 second. Like this was the last box and I already did it because I was so excited by it. Oh, okay, so maybe not already did it because obviously it's not quilted and finished, but this was the last box. Everything I needed to make this wall hanging was in the box. I still have the backing, and somewhere laying around here is the binding to it. But normally it's stuff like this where you have a whole project you can do. So not as excited about this box. I think the value is still there because I paid $55 for the box and it's an $86.80 value. So $86.80 value. So, you know, it's still there, and they give you coupon codes and stuff that are for people who subscribe. So, you know, it's still a great box, but hopefully I can pass on the love of these masks to somebody else. But thanks for watching, you guys. If you're entering the giveaway and happen across my channel, make sure that you subscribe, and I will post the winner as soon as I do the drawing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.